Today, I want to talk about instability in Oracle databases with regard to SQL performance. All DBAs know that Oracle databases can have dreadful problems with stability. Ever since Release 7 introduced the cost-based optimizer, a query runs well today, and tomorrow it's a disaster. Why does this happen? Because of dynamic parsing. Dynamic parsing will produce perhaps a different execution plan from one day to another. You can try to stabilize the situation with hints, but that's seriously bad news, a huge amount of work at the time, and potentially awful problems with maintenance later. The end result is that managing change in the Oracle environment can be a terrifying process. You never know what's going to happen. Even something as basic as gathering statistics, which should do nothing but good, can sometimes cause performance to degrade appallingly. I've seen sites where the DBAs refused to gather statistics simply because they didn't dare take the risk of performance dropping. Well, the problems of instability should be history following your upgrade to 12c. SQL baselining was actually introduced in 11, but it's greatly enhanced in 12. It can give you a guarantee that performance will never degrade, no matter what happens to the databases. Changes with statistics, parameters, patches, not a problem. Even platform migrations. We can guarantee that performance caused by execution plans will never degrade. However, performance isn't necessarily frozen. It is allowed to get better. All changes in execution plans are held back until tested. And then changes that are proven to be for the good are permitted, but changes for the worse remain blocked. The bad news is that you need Enterprise Edition licenses for this. We can do something similar for you with Standard Edition, but that is a bit more work. But the good news is that this is completely automatic. What I love about baselines is that it is a declarative technique. Just let Oracle get on with it. All the DBA needs to do is set two parameters and then make sure that the auto task system is enabled.